So let's talk about the best crypto refer and earn app, okay? This video is not financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. So have you heard about refer and earn features in crypto apps? You know, listen, it's a fun way to earn rewards just by inviting friends. So if you're curious about how to get started and earn some rewards, I got you covered. Step one, first you're gonna sign up for an app like crypto.com, okay? It's one of the best platforms for this kind of feature because when you sign up, you're going to get your very own referral link that you can share with others, okay? As right off the bat. Step two, share your link with friends and family. And when they sign up through your link, you both are going to get, both you and the person that you invite are going to earn rewards. So it's win-win. You can even send your link to people who are interested in crypto but don't know where to start, okay? And step three, you're gonna keep track of your rewards. The more friends you invite, the more rewards you get. It's a great way to build up some extra benefits just by sharing something that you enjoy, all right? So by following these three steps, you can basically start earning rewards with just a few clicks. It's that easy. And by the way, you know what I'm gonna say. If you're not one of the 100 million people on crypto.com already, open an account through my referral link. It's in the description so we can both get rewarded very nicely. And then you'll do the same with other people.